Broad match, phrase match, exact match? What do these actually mean and which one should you use? Let me clear up the confusion in plain English. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. Match types are one of the most misunderstood parts of Google Ads. Get them wrong and you waste money on irrelevant clicks, and if you get them right, your budget goes a lot further. Here's what you need to know. Match types tell Google how closely a search needs to match your keyword before showing your ad. There are three match types: broad match, loosest; phrase match, middle ground; exact match, tightest. Let's go through each one with real examples. Broad match is the default and the most dangerous for your budget. If you bid on the keyword plumber, broad match might show your ad for plumber near me, good; emergency plumber Dallas, good; plumber salary, bad; how to become a plumber, bad; Mario plumber costume, really bad. Google takes your keyword and shows your ad for anything considered related. That's a problem because Google's definition of related is very generous. Broad match can work if you have a big budget and a strong negative keyword list, but for most home service businesses, it's a money pit. Phrase match is more controlled and add quotes around your keyword. If you bid on emergency plumber, phrase match will show your ad for emergency plumber near me, emergency plumber Dallas, best emergency plumber, 24-hour emergency plumber, but it does not show for plumber salary or plumber costume. The search needs to include the meaning of your phrase. It doesn't have to be exact words, but it needs to be a match, the intent. Phrase match is my go-to recommendation for most home service businesses. It gives you reach without going off the rails. For most home service businesses, here's what I recommend. Start with phrase match for most keywords. It gives you good coverage without wasting your money on completely unrelated searches. Use exact match for your most important keywords, the ones you know you convert well for. This protects your best performers from random variations. Avoid broad match unless you have a big budget and a strong negative keyword list and time to monitor your search terms closely. And no matter what match type you use, check your search terms report regularly. That's where you'll see what's actually triggering your ads. Think of it like a target. Exact match, the bullseye. Only the searches you specifically want. Phrase match, inner ring. Searches with the same meaning. Broad match, outer ring. Anything Google thinks is related. The tighter you go, the more control. The looser you go, the more reach, but also more waste. If you're not sure which match types you're using or whether you have it set up right, I'll check all of this in my Google Ads audit. Check out the link in the description. Subscribe for more Google Ads tips. Want to learn how to add negative keywords? Watch this next.